Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your sub status private in Twitch chat. So let's begin. First, I want you to make sure you're logged in into the correct accounts and you're gonna need to go to your profile settings. So over here, follow my mouse cursor, click on your profile icon and left click settings. Once you're here on this page, I want you to go to privacy and security here. Then scroll down, go to the privacy section, and you'll see the option to here. Hide subscription status and chat view record. Let me see. It's currently off in my end, but you can absolutely enable this and it will show a message like do not show your subscription status, tier, or duration for any particular channel in your profile or chat card. So enable that and you can also turn this off whenever you want. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.